new babe.
So what's good, TMG fam? Listen, we back with everybody's favorite sheriff. You know who he is. If you don't know who he is, where have you been, bro? Where have you been? Listen, Sheriff Grady Judge, and not Judge, Judd. I say it sometimes, I mess up. But listen, he in this video says Florida sheriff heated response to a reporter's question about gunfight comment. Oh, he about to go in. Let's go. Let's check it out.
So at the end of the day, everyone's safe. Please continue your normal life and know that the men and women in law enforcement will put their life at risk to keep you safe, and that's what happened. They killed 2 innocent women last night in their homes. They tried to kill a lot of law enforcement officers last night and were unsuccessful, and we took them all in custody, okay?
One more question, Sheriff, if I could. I think everybody understands the gravity of what happened and the urgency and the response that you took. Some of the comments that you made last night about shooting the suspects possibly, and some comments today about the ready for a gunfight, was that in the heat of the moment? Do you have any regret about that in light of what...
No, I don't know. I not only have no regret, I'm pretty excited about telling you that's exactly what would have happened.
You gotta love him. I don't have no regrets. In fact, I'm excited about that. Bro.
I not only have no regret, I'm pretty excited about telling you that's exactly what would have happened. And make no mistake about it, there's nothing about politically correct in a gunfight. There's nothing about politically correct when you're keeping people alive and well and safe. And the people of this community and these law enforcement officers come first. I meant every word of it then, and I mean every word of it now. If you surrender peacefully, that's the way we prefer it. You start pointing guns at us, you can not only plan on, but you can guarantee we're going to shoot you.
Grady Judd for president. I'm gone.